IForum for South Africa isishaya-ke ikhwele lokuthi umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa akamkhiphe esikhundleni lowo-ke obambe njengongqongqoshe wamaphoyisa kuleli uSolwazi Firoz Khatshaliya njengoba-ke imsola ngokuthi usehluleke wancama ukuqhamuka necebe lephusile lokuqeda ngobugebengu obubucayi kanye-ke nodlame kuleli zwe. Le nhlangano ithi-ke imiphakathi iyaqhubeka nokubhekana nokubulawa kwabantu, ukudubula, ukuthunjwa kanye-ke namanye amacala nodlame yabeke isibalula ukuthi ifuna uhulumeni eyithathele izinyathelo ezinqala lenkinga. IFosa iphinde yaphonsela umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa inselelo yokuthi-ke beke obala okuqhubekayo mayelana namasu kahulumeni okuloke nobugebengu kanye nemiphumela yawo.
IForum for South Africa imemelela umongameli welizwe ukuba ehlise esihlalweni ibambela mphathiswa jikelele lamapolisa. Ngelithi uyasilela ukujongana ngqono lwaphulo mthetho nobundlobongela eMzantsi Afrika.
Forum for South Africa calls on President Cyril Ramaphosa to relieve Acting Police Minister Firoz Khatshaliya of his responsibilities following what we regard as a failure to decisively confront the escalating levels of crime and violence in South Africa. South Africans cannot continue to live in fear while government appears unable to provide a convincing and effective strategy to deal with violent crime. Communities are being exposed to brutal murders, shootings, kidnappings, and other serious crimes, while ordinary citizens are demanding answers and decisive leadership. Forum for South Africa is deeply concerned that the acting police minister has not demonstrated a sufficient, clear and convincing plan to turn the situation around. Taxpayers cannot be expected to continue carrying the cost of overlapping ministerial arrangements while the country remains desperate for effective leadership on crime. South Africa needs accountability, agency and measurable results. The minister has also indicated that criminal masterminds are allegedly operating from positions of power and are able to protect themselves. If government has credible information identifying individuals who are behind organized criminal activities, Forum for South Africa asks a simple question. Why are they not being arrested and brought before the courts?
Lo mbutho uthi abemi beli bafanelwe bubunkokheli obungqalileyo nokuba babe nenkokheli abangathembela kuzo. Kwindaba zaSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka.